Happy Birthday to You is one of the world's most popular and widely recognized songs. It is a traditional song to celebrate a person's birthday. The melody is simple, making it easy for people of all ages to sing along. The lyrics of Happy Birthday to You are short and repetitive, contributing to its popularity. The melody is simple and typically played in the key of F major on the piano. Today we will learn to play Happy Birthday on the piano. While the song might seem simple, our primary focus will be mastering the F major scale. Understanding and practicing this scale is crucial as it forms the foundation for many pieces of music. By concentrating on the F major scale, you'll gain valuable skills that will enhance your overall piano playing abilities, making it easier to learn more complex compositions in the future. Additionally, in our upcoming tutorials, we will add chords to the melody, allowing you to play a more harmonized version of the song. Pa pa dha pa sa ni, pa pa dha pa ri sa, pa 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 ga sa ni dha, ma ma ga sa ri sa, pa dha pa sa ni, pa dha pa ri sa, pa 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 ga sa ni dha, ma ma ga sa ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.